It's Thanksgiving and you're probably eating turkey. Turkey contains tryptophan and our body converts this amino acid to serotonin. Serotonin makes you feel sleepy. Are there other foods that contain tryptophan and will these foods also make you feel sleepy? It turns out that many foods contain tryptophan. Chicken, red meat, fish, tofu, soybeans, and milk. If you eat a lot in one sitting, all that tryptophan is converted to serotonin, which makes you sleepy. How do you get that uncooked turkey to taste good? One chemical reaction produces that beautiful brown color and aroma and taste. That's the Maillard reaction, in which sugars react with proteins. The Maillard reaction might be the most practiced reaction in the world. Here's what happened, which converts the raw meat to cooked meat. Heating up the turkey meat denatures the protein. In raw meat, the protein chain is coiled up pretty tightly. That's its natural state. When the meat is heated, the hydrogen bonds which hold the protein together in its coiled shape break and the protein uncoils. As water is squeezed out, the muscle fibers shrink and the protein molecules coagulate. That's the cooked meat. Of course, you've got to wash down your food with a beverage. What are those bubbles in your drink? In champagne and in soda, it's the same thing, carbon dioxide. If you eat too much, you might get acid indigestion. That's your stomach producing more acid to try to digest or break down that extra food. So you can take an antacid, which is a base, to neutralize that excess stomach acid. And if you drink too much, you might get a hangover. The alcohol in alcoholic beverages is ethanol. Our body contains an enzyme which converts the ethanol to acetaldehyde. This is an oxidation reaction. Acetaldehyde is toxic, so there's another enzyme which converts the acetaldehyde to acetic acid. This is another oxidation reaction. The problem is our body only contains a limited amount of that second enzyme. So when our body runs out of that second enzyme, acetaldehyde remains in our body and we get a hangover. You've heard this before, but this is a case where moderation is good. So let's give thanks to chemistry for the chemistry of Thanksgiving.